Hello there, my name is Jubel Reglos, but you can call me Juvel for short. I'm 21 years old and I'm about to graduate with a degree in business administration. I work as a sales agent before, and for my part-time, I've also been a personal tutor for almost a 1 year. I've helped students improve their understanding and become more confident in real-life conversation through pronunciation drills, engaging games, and practical vocabulary lessons. I teach both kids and adults using fun and effective techniques like PPR. I say things like, look, listen, can you see me? Can you hear me? Nice! Good job! Very good! Awesome! Perfect! I love helping my students improve their English from phonics and grammar to pronunciation and conversational skills. I'm patient and I always celebrate every small victory because I do believe that confidence grows one word at a time. Once again, I'm Jubel Reglos and I'm excited to share my passion for teaching with you. Bye-bye!